Manifestation is a term that has captivated human imagination for centuries. At its core, manifestation is the art of bringing your desires and dreams into reality. It's the process of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the universe to attract what you seek, whether it is success, love, health, or spiritual growth. The concept of manifestation is not new. It has its roots in ancient traditions, mystical practices, and even modern science. Align your inner world with the universe and watch your reality transform. Think of Thomas Edison, who manifested the light bulb despite 1,000 failures, or Oprah Winfrey, who manifested her journey from poverty to becoming one of the world's most influential figures. These are not coincidences, but testimonies of focused intent, unwavering belief, and deliberate action. Modern science supports the idea that our thoughts shape our reality. Studies reveal that positive thinking can rewire our brains, influencing our behavior, health, and overall experience of life. From the wisdom of ancient sages to contemporary motivational speakers, the idea is simple yet profound. We become what we think about. The law of attraction, often spoken of in self-help literature, tells us that like attracts like, suggesting that positive thoughts can. While the principles of manifestation can be found in various cultures and belief systems, Buddhism offers a unique perspective on this timeless practice. In Buddhism, the mind is seen as the creator of all experience. Every thought, intention, and action holds the power to shape our reality. Manifestation, therefore, is not just about material gains or superficial desires. It is a path to self-discovery, spiritual growth, and inner peace. Unlike many modern interpretations that focus solely on external outcomes, Buddhist teachings guide us toward manifesting from a place of mindfulness, compassion, and inner harmony. It emphasizes the importance of aligning our inner world with our outer actions, showing us that the true art of manifestation is about becoming the best version of ourselves. To understand this approach, let's journey to a Himalayan village where a wise monk, Tenzin, reveals the secrets of manifestation to a young seeker named Arjun. In a small village nestled within the Himalayas, there lived a monk named Tenzin. His serene demeanor and radiant presence were testament to years of dedicated practice and unwavering faith. Tenzin was not just a monk. He was a guide to many who sought the wisdom of the ancient teachings of Buddhism. One day, a young seeker named Arjun approached him, eager to learn the secret to manifesting his deepest desires. "Master Tenzin," Arjun began, "I have heard that through Buddhist practices, one can manifest anything and everything they desire. Is this true?" Tenzin smiled warmly and nodded. "Yes, Arjun. The power of manifestation is within each of us. But it is not merely about desiring. It is about aligning our mind, body, and spirit with the universe. Sit with me, and I will share the journey of manifestation." The first step in manifestation, Tenzin explains, is setting a clear intention. Without clarity, the universe cannot understand our desires. It's like trying to navigate through a dense fog without a compass. Arjun listened intently. Tenzin continued, "In Buddhism, intention is everything. It is the seed from which your reality will grow. Close your eyes and visualize your desire in great detail. Feel it, see it, and believe it. This step is akin to planting a seed in fertile soil." Neuroscience tells us that visualizing an outcome activates the same neural pathways as actually experiencing it. This mental rehearsal can help prime your brain to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your goals. The next step, Tenzin explained, is to cultivate mindfulness and practice meditation. Our minds are often cluttered with unnecessary thoughts, like a turbulent river. Meditation helps in calming the mind, making it a clear, still pond. He guided Arjun through a simple meditation exercise, focusing on his breath and letting go of intrusive thoughts. Mindfulness anchors you in the present moment, allowing you to connect with the now. This connection is essential because the present moment is where all possibilities exist. Research has shown that regular meditation can increase gray matter in the brain, particularly in areas associated with emotional regulation and decision-making, enhancing your ability to manifest desires effectively. Tenzin then spoke about the power of words. Our thoughts and words carry energy. Positive affirmations are a way to reprogram your subconscious mind. By repeatedly telling yourself positive statements, you start to believe them, and they begin to shape your reality. He suggested Arjun to create a list of affirmations aligned with his desires. Speak them daily, with conviction and belief. They are the water and sunlight that help your seed grow. Studies have shown that positive affirmations can decrease stress and improve overall mental health, thereby creating a conducive mental environment for manifestation. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to abundance, Tenzin said. By appreciating what you already have, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. Gratitude is a powerful force that attracts more of what you are thankful for. He advised Arjun to maintain a gratitude journal, writing down things he was grateful for each day. This practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance, enhancing your ability to manifest your desires. Positive psychology research indicates that practicing gratitude can significantly increase happiness and life satisfaction, both of which are essential for maintaining a high vibrational state conducive to manifestation. Manifestation is not about wishful thinking, Tenzin clarified. It requires action, but not just any action. Action that is inspired and aligned with your intention. Listen to your intuition and act on the guidance you receive. Arjun nodded, understanding that passive dreaming would not lead to fulfillment. Inspired action bridges the gap between the spiritual and the material. It is the physical effort that complements your mental and emotional alignment. The law of action states that you must do the things and perform the actions necessary to achieve what you are setting out to do. Successful manifestation requires actively pursuing your goals. The final step, Tenzin said, is to let go and trust the process. Detachment does not mean giving up. It means releasing the obsessive need to control the outcome. Trust that the universe will bring your desire to fruition in the right way and at the right time. He shared a story from his own life, where surrendering to the flow of life brought unexpected yet fulfilling results. By letting go, you allow the universe to work its magic without interference from your fears and doubts. Psychological research on attachment theory suggests that excessive attachment to outcomes can create anxiety and impede progress. Trusting the process reduces stress and allows for a more natural unfolding of events. As the sun began to set behind the majestic mountains, Arjun felt a deep sense of understanding and peace. "Thank you, Master Tenzin," he said with gratitude. "I now see that manifestation is not just about wanting, it is about becoming." Tenzin nodded. "Indeed, Arjun. Manifestation is a journey of inner transformation. It is about aligning your entire being with your deepest desires. Remember, you have the power to create your reality. Use it wisely and compassionately." And so, with a heart full of hope and a mind equipped with ancient wisdom and modern understanding, Arjun embarked on his journey to manifest his dreams, knowing that the power to create anything and everything he desired was already within him. As Arjun learned from Master Tenzin, the power to manifest anything and everything is not reserved for sages or monks alone. It resides in each of us. You too can manifest your desires by following the simple steps mentioned earlier. By integrating these steps into your daily life, you begin to harness the natural power of manifestation. It's not about forcing things to happen, but rather creating the conditions in which they can flourish. The process is not only about achieving external goals, but also about cultivating inner peace, joy, and a sense of purpose. Manifestation, in its truest form, is an empowering journey of self-discovery. It's about realizing that the power to create your reality lies within you. As Master Tenzin said, use it wisely and compassionately. Every thought, every intention, and every action can shape the life you envision. Embrace this process with faith, patience, and a positive heart, and watch as the universe unfolds its magic in ways you never imagined. Remember, you are the creator of your destiny. Believe in yourself, align with your desires, and take inspired action. The universe is always listening, ready to support you in manifesting the life you truly desire. Now, if you found this video inspiring and insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom-filled content. Your support helps us continue sharing these life-changing teachings with the world.